Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. It's shocking to learn that Shiba Inus will find this maneuver to be extremely risky. The price of Shiba Inu has been difficult to trade. The meme currency broke out of a bullish continuation trend, suggesting that things could get ugly. Will the price of Shiba Inus rise like it did in October of last year? Keep watching to find out. We shall discuss why this change will be extremely dangerous for Shiba Inus in this video. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. On July 18th, the shitcoin price broke through a bullish pennant after rising 22% in less than a day. A pennant and a flagpole make up this technical formation. The flagpole was made by the 34% explosive shift that occurred between June 19th and June 25th. The pennant was created by the consolidation that followed, which took the form of higher lows and lower highs. This pattern adds the height of the flagpole to the breakout point at 0.116, which predicts a 34% upswing to 0.154. Shiba further confirmed its bullish view on July 18th by providing a clean retest of the pennant following a clean breakout at 0.116. The outcome was a 14% increase in Shiba Inu pricing following a breakout. But the bearish forces gained the upper hand, and this move, which had punctured the pennant's body, was abruptly reversed. From a technical standpoint, this action already lessens the likelihood that a breakout will achieve its target. Shiba Inu pricing is currently retesting the 0.106 to 0.111 demand zone, so there's still a chance. It is the altcoin's last chance to preserve the optimistic forecast. If bulls in the Shiba market intervene and hold this level, purchasers will have another opportunity to push the price higher to the predicted objective of 0.0154. However, if the price of the Shiba Inu drops below the demand zone of 0.106 to 0.111, it will suggest a lack of strength among purchasers. A daily candlestick closure below the 0.106 mark in this scenario would refute the bullish thesis and cause a move to 0.0095. This level's collapse will also cause a 22% drop to 0.0083. Crypto prices have suffered this year, along with many other tech equities and risky assets, as a result of rising inflation and the Federal Reserve's sharp hike in the federal funds rate, which serves as the benchmark overnight lending rate. When interest rates rise, riskier assets usually suffer because the yields on safer assets also rise, placing greater pressure on the profits and returns of growth assets, which were previously valued at premiums, than on safety assets. The federal funds rate is expected to rise on Wednesday by the Fed's rate-setting committee, but investors will be watching for hints in the Fed's remarks regarding the Fed's outlook on the economy and potential rate hikes for the remainder of the year. A more aggressive Fed would probably be bad news for cryptocurrency prices and the stock market. Asset prices, however, may react positively if the Fed becomes more confident about the level of inflation and the outlook for the economy. In a recent research note, Wanda analyst Jeffrey Haley stated, "I suspect that today will be the most sedate day of the coming week, however this week plays out." In addition to more earnings reports, the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis's estimate of gross domestic product growth for the second quarter of this year is set to be released on Thursday. This might have a significant impact on cryptocurrency and overall market activity. The U.S. GDP grew by over 7%, but declined by 1.6% in the first quarter of this year. A recession is officially declared when GDP growth is negative for 2 quarters in a row. Earlier this month, Goldman Sachs reduced its second quarter GDP projections to about 0.7%, which would put the U.S. narrowly over the threshold of a technical recession. It doesn't seem like the U.S. economy entered a recession, with a robust labor market and the majority of major U.S. banks reporting healthy consumer spending in the second quarter. Nevertheless, the market might believe that the slowdown is just getting started, which would not be good news for riskier assets like cryptocurrencies in the short run. Cryptocurrency prices might move either way, in my opinion. Better-than-expected GDP growth in the second quarter and a less hawkish Federal Reserve could provide the markets a clue that the Fed may be able to control inflation and arrange a softer landing than many had been projecting in recent months. It would probably be good news for cryptocurrency values. However, further pessimistic remarks and unsatisfactory economic data can cause a decline. Shiba Inu has been revived by coins.ph, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange in the Philippines, by being included to its list of the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Things are starting to look up for the so-called Dogecoin killer, as it has been finding it difficult to compete with its meme coin rival recently. As the first blockchain company in Asia to get a license as an electronic money issuer and virtual currency exchange, EMVC, coins.ph is governed by the BSP. As per its mission statement, coins.ph is the most well-known cryptocurrency brand in the Philippines, having gained the trust of more than 18 million consumers. Additionally, coins.ph won the Asian Banker Philippine Awards 2019 for Best Blockchain or Distributed Ledger Technology, DLT, platform. By expanding the number of banks, money transfer companies, and payment providers operating in the Philippines, the platform leverages its infrastructure and key IC agreements with two of the biggest blockchain networks, Ripple and Stellar, to serve its expanding user base. Users of the platform can send and receive money, pay bills, buy virtual currencies, and buy, sell, or transact in Bitcoin. Analysts evaluated the Shiba price movement in response to this listing and projected a surge to the optimistic target price of 0.0014. The meme coin may regain its losses and start to rise, targeting a price of 0.0014. According to Sunday's CoinGecko statistics, the price of Shiba Inu is currently 0.118, up 7.1% from the previous 7 days. Shiba Inu has, however, already been listed on a number of significant exchanges, including Bitstamp and Robinhood. The Shiba team declared that the new Shiba Burn Visa card would launch on July 25. Through Shiba Inu's burn tracking Twitter account at Shern, the notification was made. The only thing featured in the 3-second promo video was an orange Visa card bearing the initials of SB and the phrase "Make payments burn Shiba." The Shiba Inu Burn portal was developed in April 2022 through cooperation between Shiba Inu and Rashi Vision. The portal is designed to encourage token burning among SHIB holders. In exchange, the burners are expected to receive 0.49% of all transactions in addition to Rashi tokens. But the distribution of rewards has been incredibly delayed. Despite burning up about $110 million worth of SHIB in a single day, SHIB holders have been growing impatient with Rashi's rewards. The Shiba Inu team has also seen the frustration. What is evident is the ongoing failure to deliver such workflows precisely based on the platform's promise, the team wrote in a post on Shiba's official blog. Reward flexibility has not performed up to par. About 149.6 million Shiba Inu tokens have reportedly been destroyed and transferred to unspendable wallets in the previous 48 hours, according to Shern. About 87 million SHIB, the most portion of this, had been transferred to defunct wallets in a dozen transactions. The Shiba Inu community reached a new milestone in terms of the number of owners last week, according to a report by Whale Stats. At the exchange time on Friday, the Blue Whale 0159 acquired 150 billion Shiba Inu, which is valued at $1,750,000. Shiba Inu was up 1.91% in a day's trade on Sunday, closing at 0.176. Shiba Inu, the coin that swept 2021 off its feet, already enjoys cult status. There's a good likelihood that in 2022, when prices rise from their July macro lows, it will make headlines once more and enable you to retire. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.